Good morning, students. From today onwards, that is up to that Friday, I'm going to revise that first chapter, that is nature and significance of management. In this chapter, I already told you that the total marks is 11 marks. This 11 marks, how we can expect, that is 1 marks question is 1, 2 marks question is 1, and 8 marks question, that is section D, totally 11 marks plus practical oriented question. In this chapter, we have that 1 marks, 2 marks and 8 marks. There is no 4 marks from this chapter. Keep it in mind. And also, you can easily score totally 11 marks in the final examination. And also, this chapter is very easy. Not only in this chapter, the business studies is only the very easy. You can easily score above 95. Understood? And also try to get out, that is 100 out of 100. Let us start with, that is section A. First question, what is efficiency? Efficiency means doing the task correctly with minimum cost. That means efficiency, the employee has doing the task or a work with minimum cost is called efficiency. Next question, effectiveness. Effectiveness is also you have to do the task. That means doing the task and completing activities and achieving goals. You have that question, what is the differences between efficiency and effectiveness? The effectiveness and efficiency, there is a one coin, two faces. That means they are the very twins. That means without that efficiency, effectiveness is not there. Without that effectiveness, efficiency is not there. That means effectiveness and efficiency both are important to the organization. Next question, give an example for top level management. I already explained that in levels of management. What are the 3 levels of management? In levels of management, we can see that 3 levels of management. First level, that means this levels of management should start from top to lower. That means higher to lower management. And also this we can represent it in the triangle shape or triangle diagram. First level, we have the top level management. Can just see that here we have the levels of management. Top level management, middle level management, lower level or supervisory level, or it can also called operational level management. And also can just see that example for top level management, BOD, Board of Directors, CEO, Chief Executive Officer, MD, Managing Director, Chairman, President, etc. Next, in middle level management example, that means all that managers will comes in the middle level management. Example, finance manager or a production manager or sales manager, etc. Next, supervisory management or operation level management. Example, supervisor, foreman, inspector, etc. Now let us see that 1 marks here. Give an example for top level management. I already explained that is levels of management. That is example, you can write it anyone. Best to write board of directors. Next, give an example for middle level management. Answer is production manager. Next, give an example for supervisory level management. Answer is foreman or supervisor. Next, we have that which of the following is not function of management. They are asking which of the not function of management. you should know that what are the function of management, how many other functions of management. We have the totally 5 functions of management. What are the? Planning, organizing, staffing, directing, controlling. These are the 5 functions of management. Here they have given planning. Planning is also the function of management. It is not the correct answer. B. Staffing, it is also function. Cooperating is not a function of management. Controlling is a function of management. Then the answer is cooperating. Next, management is an art, a science, both art and science, neither. You know very well the answer is management, both art and science. And also I have explained that why we are calling management as a science or a art. Once again I'll explain in the next classes. That is 8 marks question is very important. Next question, the following is not an objective of management. They are asking it is not objective of management. First one is earning of profit. Second one, growth of the organization. C, providing employment. D, policy making. The answer is policy making. Next question, policy formulation is a function of. Who are going to framing the policies or rules or regulation in an organization? The answer is top level management. Next we have that coordination is. Coordination is, the answer is essence of management. Next question, define management. In section B for the weekend test you will get 2 questions. 3 questions they have, you have to supposed to write 2 questions, 4 marks. Each question carries 2 marks. First question, define management. According to Arad, Kuhns and Hens Virich, you have to write first the who has given or who has defined that particular topic. Here this management has defined by the Harald Kuhns and Hens Virich. What is said? Management is the process of designing and maintaining an environment in which individuals working together in groups efficiently accomplish selected aims. That means he has explained, he has given the definition. Management is a process. Yes, management is a process. In that process it consists 5 functions. I already explained that 5 functions of management, and also process of designing and maintaining an environment. That means in an organization we have to design that an environment. What to design? That means where that plant has to be keep it, or even if that how to produce a product or how to give the work to the worker. This all that we have to design and maintaining an environment in which individuals working together. That means each and every person, they are working in a group. Understood? They all are working in a team, working together in group, efficiently accomplish selected aims. Why they are all are working? Because of to achieve that organizational goals. But here they have given the selected aims. Selected aims is regarding to the organizational goals or aims. Next we have that 2 organizational objectives of management. What are the 2 organizational objectives you can expect for this question? 8 marks. Explain that objectives of management. You have to write 3 objectives. In 3 objectives they have the sub point. You have to explain for 8 marks. Here that we have the 2 objectives called survival, profit, growth. This all the 3 comes in organizational objectives. Next we have the define coordination. Here I have given the 2 definition. You can write it any one definition which it's possible for you, and which is convenience or which is easy for you. Here that definition according to Moni and Riley, it is better to write Moni and relay, coordination and orderly arrangement of group efforts to provide unity of action in pursuit of common goals. That means I already said that if they ask define question will comes, you have to write that author name and who has given the this definition particular that name, and also you have to explain what they have given. You should not supposed to write your own answer in definition. If you write it that own answer, you will get a 0 marks. Understood? Here Moni and relay, they said that coordination and orderly arrangement, that means it is orderly, we have to arrange because of mutual relationship. It's a very important, because why that coordination is important? Because of to reduce the confusion and misunderstanding between employee. That means group efforts to provide unity of action to pursue common goal. They all are working because of to achieve the common goals. Next we have that justify the importance of coordination by any two factors. First one, growth in size, specialization, functional differentiation. In the next classes, section D and section C are going to explain you. In section C, some of the question will come for 8 marks. This is section C. Explain the objectives of management, compulsory for 8 marks. Understood? Please today in this class complete by learning or studying section A and section B. It is a very easy for you, and also I will going to check the notes. Please complete the notes. Thank you.